Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 29, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 29, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 29, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasa para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 29, 2024 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 10.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Monday, April 29, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of April 29, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.